Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how you can remove powered by Shopify from your footer. So you can see that here is my store and down below you will be getting this specific link powered by Shopify. So let me show you a few of the examples. So I have this Shopify store, and if you will scroll it down you will see that there is nothing like powered by Shopify. So that means they have removed already. So I have another example of this store. So if you will scroll it down, you will find out that they also have not the powered by, they only have written Carbon Cocoa 2020. So that means they have also removed that. So let me show you another example. So here this is also one of the store. So if I am scrolling it down and down below in the footer, you will find out that they also have not that specific line which is powered by Shopify. But on this store you can see that we have powered by Shopify. So I will be showing you two ways to remove this powered by Shopify text from your footer section. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard, and over there you will be getting online store. So you have to click on that. Then after, you should click on themes and you will be getting a screen where you can modify a few things. One is the customize button, and on the left hand side you will be getting this action drop down menu. You have to click over it and you will have the edit languages. You should click over that link, and here you have to search powered by. So once you will be adding this text, automatically the text would be searched inside the database. So you have to scroll it a bit down, and here you can see that we have powered by Shopify. So inside of this input box we have to add the space. So I am adding here space. So let me save this once again. So I have saved these changes, and let me refresh this page once again. So you can see that in the footer section we don't have the powered by Shopify now. So we have only the text which was earlier there. Alright, so if you are interested, you can also modify this space to powered by. For example, I am writing here Ramzan. Let's click on save, and these changes would be updated. Then you have to refresh once again, and you will find out that the specific text is now reflecting here in the footer section. So you can see that we have powered by Ramzan. So that means you can add the text or you can remove everything. So if you are interested to remove everything, then you will have to add the space. Alright, so this was the first way to remove the powered by Shopify from your footer section. Let me show you another way. So I'm going to remove everything from here, and let me save this. And if you are refreshing this once again, you will see that in the footer section we again have the same thing powered by Shopify. So let me tell you another way. So you have to click on themes once again, and here in themes you have to click on actions, and here we have edit code link. So you should select this specific option. Then after, you will be getting some folders and files in the backend. So let me show you. Here you can see that we have layout folder, we have templates folder, then we have sections folder. You have to click on sections, and you have to scroll it a bit down, and here we have footer.liquid. So you should click over it. Then after, you have to click Control and F, or maybe Window F in the Mac, and you have to search here powered by, only powered. Then you should press enter key, and you will see that here we have a link here, this one. So powered underscore by underscore link. So you have to remove this specific line. I mean, you have to remove this powered underscore by underscore link, including these curly braces. So I have removed everything. Now if you are saving these changes, and let me refresh this once again. Now you can see that in the footer section we have not that specific powered by Shopify. So if you are interested to add something here, you can also add here like powered by Ramzan, for say example. So let me save these changes, and now if you will be refreshing this page again, then you will see in the footer section we have powered by Ramzan. So we have removed the Shopify link from here, and this is powered by Ramzan. All right. So if you are interested to add any specific link in the footer section, for example, you are interested to redirect a person once someone is hovering over this text, I mean you are going to redirect to any other page, then you can also add here the anchor tag. So inside of anchor tag you can put this specific powered by Ramzan. So let me show you how. For example, I am interested to redirect this to somewhere else. So this is the line of code, a tag, inside of it href equals to, inside of it I am going to write here https, and here is my personal website ramzanmalik.in, and then I have to close the tag here where this powered by Ramzan ends. Alright, so I have added that specific close tag. So you can see that here is the code. So here is the code, which is anchor tag href equal to https ramzanmalik.in, then we have powered by Ramzan, and then we have close tag. Alright, and now let me save these changes and let me refresh this page once again. Now you can see that we have a link down below. So for example, I am hovering over it and powered by Ramzan. So I am getting this specific cursor, I mean pointer. So that means we can redirect. So let me click on that, and now it would be redirected to my personal website. So wait for a while. Yeah, you can see that now I am redirected to my personal website. So this is ramzanmalik.in. But if you are interested to redirect this in the new tab, then you can also do like that. So you have to add here an attribute which is target equals to blank, and let me save this again. Now if you will refresh this page and click over the powered by Ramzan, then then the link would be opened in the new tab. So this is also the way you can add into your store, because if you are interested to redirect somewhere else, I mean your about page or maybe any other page, so you can mention that specific link in this way. Alright, so this is a super simple code that you can add here, and in that way you can good to go with removing your powered by Shopify text and replace with your own text. And even you can also add here the link where you are interested to redirect to your user. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.